Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on this SS quartz watch. Now honestly, you probably have never seen this watch before or heard of this watch because I haven't heard of it. And the backstory of this is kind of interesting. So you can clearly tell this is a Japanese watch, and I actually got it in Japan at this store. And the store was not a luxury, it was a Japanese watch store. And the owner there was selling, I think, Citizen, Seiko, Casio, but he also had these SS watches in the windowsill. So I kind of asked him about it, and it turns out this watch is actually made by the owner of that store. So the guy that I was talking to, the sales guy, was also the owner of the store, and he was also the creator of this watch. So yeah, he didn't talk too much about like his inspiration or anything. He just talked about how like he makes watches himself because he loves watchmaking so much. And this one is technically a limited edition of, what is that, 20 of 50 quartz movement SS. I'm not sure what SS stands for. Honestly, if I was him, I would maybe change the SS, because if you search that up on Google, you might get some other results. But it's a really interesting watch. You know, you can see the dial is, I don't know if the light can catch it, but it's almost like a mother of pearl dial. And there's the hour markers. I have to assume those are numbers, 1 to 12, I'm assuming. There is loom on the hour and minute hands. The seconds hand is really interesting. It's like a squiggly line. Again, I'm not sure his inspiration, but everything about this watch is different. The lug and case is just, you know, it's not circular. It's like a halfway between a circle and a square. The crown is on the left-hand side. It is just, maybe to a fault, it is just completely different. There's just like anything you expect. This watch is like not what you expect, if that makes sense. It's a very unexpected watch. Everything about it is a bit quirky, a bit different. And that, along with the fact that I kind of just want to support the guy. Like, he was such a nice salesman. He really tried to, you know, help me out. I also bought my Seiko Issei Miyake from him. So yeah, really nice dude, and I want to support him. So I decided to purchase this watch and support him. So let's get this on the wrist, on my 6-inch wrist. Here we go. The strap is a third party. He did not make the strap himself, but the buckle is signed SS. So that is the SS watch. And even to this day, I'm still mixed, you know, like it's really cool, but it's just really weird too. You know, like I just don't know how to feel about it, but it definitely is an eye catcher. Definitely something that you guys had never seen before. And I almost forgot. Let's measure the dimensions in real time. Again, I have a 6-inch wrist. This watch diameter wise is about 38. Let's see if I can do this properly. Yeah, it's about 38. And then the lug to lug, it's about 42.7. I would just say like 43 probably. Height wise is 10.8. These lugs probably smaller than I think they are. This is probably a lot smaller. They're probably like 15. Let me actually go on this side. The lugs are interesting. They're actually a lot shorter than you'd expect. And I would say that they are, I can't do it. Maybe I'll do it after the video. They are actually quite small. I would say these are like probably 15 millimeter lugs. So yeah, just everything about it. Small lugs, strange case size, you know, very nice man though. And again, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but it is a quartz movement. So you can just set it here. Let me get it back on the wrist. So again, 38 millimeter watch on a 6-inch wrist. The strap isn't the best, but I won't blame him on that. He tried his best. So this is what it looks like. Now, who is this watch for? Man, I honestly have a struggle on this one. You know, I don't think this should be anyone's first watch or second watch. You know, this should be someone who has enough watches to the point where like they're okay with buying some watches that are kind of like out of the left field, non-traditional, really weird watches, really interesting watches though. Yeah, honestly, like if you're looking for your first watch or you're going to Japan to buy a watch, like get a Seiko or a Citizen first before you look at a watch like this. It is cool that's limited edition, and it's cool that a guy made it himself. I do wish it was mechanical. I think that's probably also why I am less happy with this purchase. I kind of wish it was quartz, or sorry, I wish it was mechanical, but it is quartz. And that probably helped bring the price down. Also made the watch probably easier to assemble. So yeah, that's who the watch is for. Just kind of someone who's experimenting. In terms of if I like the watch, again, I'm still kind of mixed feelings on this one. Like, it's so unique, and you know me, like if there's any watch that's unique, I'm kind of gravitated towards it. I want to look at it. I want to see, I want to pick at the brains of the watch, see what's going on. And I believe I have at this point, but I don't know if there's anything left for me to enjoy about this watch. Not gonna lie, I haven't worn this outside, like in public. I have so many other watches that I feel like look nicer than this watch. And I feel really bad saying that because, I hope that guy isn't looking at this video and feeling bad, because I respect him for like taking the initiative to make 50 of these. And he actually had another one. There was a green one. I think it was green. Something like that. So he had like 100 of these total, and that's like really cool. This is kind of like Mark from Long Island Watch making his own watches. That's kind of something I want to do someday. I think about it, but no, I'll probably end up selling it if I even can sell it, because I don't know if anyone will actually want to buy it. So I might just keep it for keepsake, keep it in my watch box to admire from afar. But yeah, that's kind of it for this watch. All right, and to end off this video, here's the third-person perspective of the SS watch. You can see with that mother of pearl dial, it really reflects differently depending on the angle of the light. And this is, 39 millimeter watch on my 6-inch wrist. It just looks so different, like this is such a unique watch. All the different components is not what you'd expect. The crown is on the left side, just everything is so different. But yeah, I hope this watch can go to a good home, someone that can appreciate a unique watch. But on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing this SS watch from Japan. Subscribe for more videos, and as always, see you guys next time.